Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your PayPal affiliate balances and statements, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your PayPal account. Locate the Reports section on the dashboard. Click on Reports to access your financial statements. Choose the Transaction History option from the drop-down menu. Select the date range for the transactions you want to back up. Make sure to include all relevant categories for your affiliate balances. Once you have set your date range, click on the Download button. Choose your preferred file format for the download. PDF and CSV are both commonly used options. After selecting the format, click on Download again to save the file to your computer. Next, navigate to your computer's file manager. Find the location where the downloaded report is saved. Create a dedicated folder for your PayPal backups if you haven't already. Move the downloaded report into this folder for organization. For added security, consider backing up this folder to cloud storage. Services like Google Drive or Dropbox are excellent options. Regularly repeat this process to keep your records up to date. That's how you can easily back up your PayPal affiliate balances and statements. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.